Ever wondered if the SportDOG 425X remote trainer could truly turn your unruly pup into a field-ready companion? Say less, because this compact yet powerful e-collar promises precise control, up to 500 yards range, and waterproof reliability. In this video, we dive deep to reveal whether the 425X is the rugged training solution hunters and dog owners swear by, or if it's just another flashy gimmick. Stay tuned for the final verdict. SportDOG 425X Product Overview. The SportDOG 425X FieldTrainer is a remote-controlled electronic collar made by SportDOG Radio Systems Corporation, released in early 2019 as the smallest and lightest option in their X-Series line. Designed for in-the-field training and hunting, it caters to owners of close-working sporting or obedience dogs. Its compact size, intuitive no-look remote, and multi-stimulation modes make it stand out. If you're seeking a reliable, customizable training collar that performs under real outdoor conditions, the 425X has steadily become a go-to choice. SportDOG 425X Performance. In real-world use, the SportDOG 425X delivers consistent performance, especially in open field and hunting scenarios. With a 500-yard effective range, trainers maintain command over their dogs at significant distances, though factors like terrain, vegetation, and how you hold the remote can affect it slightly. The remote excels at no-look operation. Even when you're not watching, dialing and button presses feel intuitive, letting you keep focus on your dog. Stress tests confirm the collar and transmitter maintain stable operation in wet conditions. The DryTek waterproofing keeps them functional up to 25 feet underwater. The rechargeable lithium-ion batteries power both units for 50 to 70 hours after a full 2-hour charge, great for long training sessions. Features and tech. Here are the 4 standout features of the 425X and why they matter. 21 levels of static stimulation plus tone and vibrate, offers flexible, gradual correction so you can match the level to each dog's temperament. Expandable to 3 dogs, add-a-dog collars let you train multiple dogs with one remote, ideal for handlers with a pack. DryTek waterproofing, submersible to 25 feet, perfect for field work, hunting, and messy training conditions. For comparison, earlier 425 models offered only 7 static levels. The 425X dramatically improves precision and flexibility. Design and build. The 425X sports a rugged yet compact build. The receiver collar is lightweight and comfortable, fitting dogs 8 pounds and up with 5 to 22-inch necks. Its matte finish feels durable, and the remote is easy to grip with dial and buttons designed for no-look use. Both devices are solidly built for outdoor use, including wet and muddy environments. Noteworthy is the sturdy intensity dial that resists accidental changes but breaks in over time. Only minor gripe, the remote's dials aren't backlit, so tough to adjust in low light. Pros: full 500 yards range, plenty for field training. Highly customizable stim options, 21 levels plus tone and vibrate for precise correction. Waterproof build, works in rain, mud, and shallow water. Long battery life, holds up to 70 hours on quick 2-hour charge. Cons: remote dials aren't backlit, so tough to adjust in low light. Tone or beep is soft, might be missed in noisy environments. Setup and installation. Setup and installation. In the box, you'll find the remote transmitter, receiver collar, charging adapter, short and long contact points, lanyard, test light, manual, and training guide. Setup is intuitive. Charge both units about 2 hours, then pair via the match process in the manual. Just press the collar's power and a transmitter button until the LED confirms pairing. Fit the collar securely but comfortably. Contact points should touch skin. Find your dog's recognition level, starting from the lowest stimulation and increase gradually. Final verdict. For hunters, obedience trainers, or field handlers in the USA seeking a reliable and nimble remote training tool, the SportDOG 425X delivers big on value and durability. It shines with its long range, precision stim levels, waterproof design, and expandable multi-dog capability. Its battery life and ergonomic remote make it practical for full-day outings. Minor downsides, lack of illumination on the dial and quiet tone, don't overshadow its core strengths in outdoor performance. If you want a device that feels built for rugged, real-world training and delivers consistent, customizable feedback to your dog, the 425X is a smart buy.